स्लीप हो गई पूरा। मेरे ऊपर पूरा गाड़ी का वजन आ गया। ओके चलो, नाउ टुडे इज द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स राउंड। बी रेडी। Not that question answers which is in the exercise. Normally I will ask you the questions in between, from between the lesson. So just fold your hands till your turn comes. Don't touch the mic. Okay, जिसका कैमरा ऑन नहीं है, let me check. I will write absent and then we will start. Let me write absent.
तो किसका कैमरा ऑन नहीं, सिर्फ मेरा ही कैमरा ऑन है।
Hey. Everyone has turned on the camera.
सर लेकिन मुझे किसी का नहीं दिख रहा सच में।
But Rakib,
वो
don't speak, please.
ओके ओके।
Uh, चलो इसका ऑन है। Um, चलो सैफ का ऑफ है तो सैफ, आर यू देयर और यू डिड नॉट हियर द रूल? Okay, I tried my best. Uh, Zaid Naqvi's camera is also off. I have to write absent. Then fine. Who? Yes. So all set and ready. Let's start the question answers round. And sit properly, like I'm sitting straight and proper. You can see. रेहान, कंपास खाने की आदत तो खराब है ना? इट इज वेरी बैड हैबिट टू ईट कंपास बॉक्स. It is not tasty also. How do you like it without salt? Okay. Let's start the question and answers. Ragib, आपका कैमरा थोड़ा नीचे है. Please set properly so that I can see the face and I can only see your stylish pant and अपना टाइम आएगा. ऐसे होने की जरूरत नहीं है. Sit properly and set your camera upside. Let it be. Let's start. My first question will be to Lakhani Hassan.
यस सर।
What is the name of first lesson? Okay, सैफ का कैमरा ऑन हो गया तो उसका प्रेजेंट लिख दो ना वापस में. Done. Yes. So, Lakhani Hassan, what is the name of first lesson? Why did you turn off the camera and turn off the mic? Answer me quickly. Name of the first lesson. Literally, Lakhani Hassan, you don't know? Who? Students, sit properly, sit straight when you are in front of camera. You should know that you are in the class. So you should sit properly. And don't move again and again. You should know how to sit at one place. Yes. What is the name of first lesson, Lakhani Hassan? You don't know? Very good. Shall I scold you or shall I scold you? There is no other option.
Sir, can I say Biryani Shafiq?
I think in the beginning of the lesson, I told you that I will call out the name. And I know your name very well, Paryani Mohammad Shafiq. If I want, I will call. Because I will ask the questions according to the level of students or in accordance of the level of students.
Okay, sir, okay.
Thank you. Even if you did not understand half of my line, still you are saying okay. Very good. Anyways, Shafiq, sit properly. Class, हाँ class. इंसान का भी क्लास होना चाहिए. Okay. Next question to Rehan, who has raised the hand.
Yes, sir.
Why did you raise your hand?
Want the first question?
आप नहीं, वो वाला रेहान. I know your surname. Or I will call you stylish Rehan. Another Rehan.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is your full name? I forgot.
Sheikh Rehan.
Sheikh Rehan. Your question is, what is the name of the first lesson?
Yes, sir. First, my first
In
roller
English.
coaster.
In
My
English, it
first
is my first roller coaster. Okay. My first roller coaster. What is the spelling of roller coaster? The same question to you. Sorry, the next
R
question
O
to the
double
same person.
L E R SOCOASTAR.
Yes. Coaster starts with C. You are going to say soster. Roller soster. Roller soster? Toaster. See, I am very hungry. सुबह से ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं किया. अभी मोहम्मद सर गए हैं टू ब्रिंग द ब्रेकफास्ट. भरत भाई चना मठ बटेटा. When he will come, I don't know. Mohammed sir, come fast. बाजू में जिन लोगों का घर है वो भी नाश्ता नहीं लाते मेरे लिए. बताओ, समझ गए ना इशारा? समझ रहे हो? समझ रहे हो? किसके ऊपर इशारा है मेरा?
Yes,
जो भी
sir.
जो भी अभी कैमरा सेट कर रहा है.
लंबू सर लंबू.
सर लंबू.
तो सर आप जिसको इशारा कर रहे हैं वो है लंबू.
Ragib, you have to speak in English. You know very well English.
Yes, sir. Yes. To whom you are saying is
He is Lambu. Okay. Chalo. Next question to Lambu. Sorry, what Lambu? Saif. Saif Ali Khan. Sorry, Saif, Dasari Mohammed Saif.
Yes, sir.
You. Saif, where are you? Here he is. So, Mr. Lambuji. सैफ, वो प्रोग्राम में शूटिंग होता है ऐसे आपका कैमरा हिल रहा है कंटिन्यू. एक जगह पे रख दो ना भाई. You are taking the support of that wall. Instead of that, keep the mobile near the wall so it can set it properly. ये उम्र में आपको कोई सपोर्ट की जरूरत नहीं है. ये कैमरा गया.
Sir, just a minute.
हाँ, sure. Every time I
Sir,
ask you the question,
why also?
हैं?
Sir, because the camera is not
Off the mobile also.
रागिब,
Yes, sir. Okay,
yes
sir.
नहीं, no. इसका कोई बंद करो मुंह यार. Okay, when Saif will come, I'll ask him. Now the next question to stylish Rehan.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Saif has come. Saif has come. Wait, sabar. Saif has come. Hey. I can see you, yes. But I can see you blur.
Sir, he's gone for take the pillow.
Yes, sir.
Ragib, we will permanently mute you. Hush. Chalo. Saif, I cannot see you. It's very blur. 99.99% blur. Still, he is busy talking with someone. How to deal with this? I cannot ask even a single question in a sequence. Hasan, no yoga. Saif, if you have
Yes, sir.
completed, adjust the camera properly, please. It is very blur.
Yes, sir.
Just to ask you the question, I have spent 10 minutes.
Sir, ask the question.
Rules are rules. Those who doesn't follow, they are fools. Remember, this dialogue comes in one serial.
वागले की दुनिया.
Yes, sir. Rules are rules. No one is fools. Go to school.
Who said Wagle ki dunya? Muhammad Ali. Okay. Anyways, I have come back to schools, but I am not fool. Anyways, my next question will be to Paryani Mohammad Shafiq.
Yes, sir, I come.
Oh ho ho. Okay, now finally Saif. कैमरा ठीक से रखो. ले. Okay, now your question is, what was the age of narrator in the roller coaster ride?
11.
Answer in one word नहीं है. Answer in sentence.
Yes, sir. What is the question?
Saif, no mischief. You know the question very well. Start speaking.
Sir, I don't know. I forgot.
मेरे साथ ऐसा करोगे?
Sir, you repeat the question.
What is the age of narrator?
The age of a narrator is 11.
Was. अभी तो बड़ी हो गई होगी ना बेटा? That time when the story was written.
Yes.
Next question to you is, what is the... No, that is an easy question for you. The hard question is, here the narrator talks about coming out of which zone? Game zone?
What?
In this lesson, in this story, narrator asks you to come out of which zone? Game zone?
Comfort zone.
Okay. Comfort zone. And the last question, When narrator was trying to move away from the roller coaster ride, she was walking, heading towards where? Always third question is the hard one. I will repeat my question.
Can you repeat?
I will. When narrator was trying to, आप रोहन सर को देख रहे हो, कार्टून या पिक्चर नहीं देख रहे, ऐसे बैठ गए. When narrator was trying to move away from California screaming, she was walking fast. So where was she going? This is the way, best easy way I found out to ask the question.
Upside down.
I
So
think
roller
I
coaster
should
is
make you question आप समझे ही नहीं हो. This is the main thing, to listen what sir speaks in English and to understand is the second step. When narrator was walking away from the California screaming, where was she going? Shamna Kun. He is refusing. So cute smile. Where was she going? Al Mehndi Girls College. 11 years की थी. कैसे जाएगी college? And moreover, schools are not open. I cannot allow her to come. वैक्सीन लेने नहीं, वो भी 18 years के बाद होती है.
sir going to roller coaster.
She was going away from the roller coaster. At that time, she was walking towards which thing? Towards which place?
Disneyland.
डिज्नीलैंड के अंदर थी, तो कहीं पे भी चलेगी, दैट इज डिज्नीलैंड ओनली. बोर्ड वॉक, दैट गार्डन, नो प्रॉब्लम. चलो, लेट मी आस्क द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. टू टर्न ऑफ द माइक, नॉट कैमरा. वन साइड हुआ है. चलो, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू, यस, परियानी मोहम्मद शफीक.
Yes, sir, I am here.
I know you are there. That's why I saw that raising the hand. Okay. Your question, Shafiq, is from where did you buy these clothes? Sorry. Your question is yes. What is the spelling of threateningly?
What, sir?
Shafiq, you very well know and you heard my question. Don't ask me to repeat the question.
Okay, sir. I speak. Threateningly. Threateningly.
Am I fool?
Yes. No.
If you will say yes, I have the good answer. If I am fool, you don't even have 10% of the knowledge I have. So think about what you are.
So, पर मेरे पास टेक्स्ट बुक ही नहीं है.
I don't know Hindi. I told you not to speak in Hindi.
I don't know textbook.
Finally, you are speaking a lie. Very good. Okay, what is the spelling of Look at me. Your eye contact should be on me. I said eye contact on me. Otherwise, I will stop asking you questions. No nonsense now.
Okay, sir.
And say it
Okay.
properly.
Okay, sir. Okay. I'm here.
What's the spelling of California screaming? Not even a single time you will look at the left or right side. Look at me. Straight.
Okay, sir. CAL IF
Next question
O
to next
I
student. I
N
know, I know.
A.
Okay. I'm smart. I told you I'm Shafiq. Ma'am, please remove this boy. Immediately remove him.
No, sir.
Only
No, sir.
after
Sorry.
I will talk to his grandfather, I will allow him to sit in my class. Okay. Next question to Gabrani Rehan.
Yes, sir.
I think I asked you the question.
No, sir.
No. Where are you?
Yes, sir.
Here he is. First, you were sitting in the dark room. Okay. Your question is, why was narrator afraid of California screaming? उससे जाके पूछो मुझे क्या है. Set your camera. Please don't shake your camera. At least I don't have to scold you people. Hassan, this recording I will show to your mom, Hassan. Gabrani Rehan, wake up. Don't sleep. I need to ask the question to many students still.
Sir, 1 minute only. Okay, sir. Done.
Answer is not done. Answer. Why was narrator afraid of California screaming? Stop smiling and give me the answer.
I don't know.
Oh, such an easy question. I thought now, just within a second, you will give me the answer.
Sir, can I?
Yes.
Yes.
Sir left.
Sorry for the inconvenience. I'm here. Okay. Yes. Gabrani Rehan, next question to you.
Yes, sir.
Again, yes, turn off the camera. Okay, then the next question I will ask to another person. Next question to Kapasi Hassan.
Yes, sir.
Murtuza bhai.
Yes.
Same question, beta. Why was narrator afraid of California screaming?
Yes, sir. Narrator is no. Is
Yesterday you were
knowing that.
wearing. Yesterday you were wearing same T-shirt, no? Evening.
Sir, you asking me? No, sir. Alag.
You were going on the cycle near Barton Library.
I don't know, sir.
Hi, I'm asking about you.
Yes, sir. I only.
Were you going somewhere?
Yes, sir. I'm going to play. And in Barton Library near our masjid also. No? So there is only.
I saw you. That's why I am telling you. But I did not call you. I thought that you will not stop.
Yes,
Okay, anyways, why was she afraid of California screaming? Because
yes,
everyone
sir.
was screaming?
No, sir. In narrator mind that in roller coaster that California that ride in that our head down and legs up.
Head down.
In that ride means our body,
It goes
our head down.
upside down.
Yes, upside down. That our head down and legs up. So it is screaming out the ride.
Okay. Somewhat you need to improve your language. Yes. For that you need regular practice.
My sister.
Ha. Good. Fine. Next question to any one person. Nakvi.
Yes, sir.
Nakvi, again you touched your camera. Very well it was set.
Sir, done.
Sir, done. So your question is, what did narrator give to his father to handle when she was going to the ride?
Sir, her hat.
Sir, her hat. Okay, sir, her hat she gave to her father. Okay.
Means her hat.
Next question to you is, why did she give her hat to the father to handle?
Sir, because his father has offered him. She's her.
Her father. Her father offered her to give the hat so that the hat does not fall down when she is in the ride. Great stuff. Next question to you. The last question to you is, when the countdown started, what was going on in her mind? With every countdown, she was feeling different things. Say any two things she felt. Your voice is breaking off. Your camera is off. Your network is off.
Yes, the network is off, but my camera is on. Network is off. Means network is not on.
How can network be off?
Means sir, that question I don't know.
See, the countdown started. Countdown means what, Ragib?
1,
1, 2, 3, 4,
sir,
5.
don't.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, sir, don't.
No.
Yes, sir, means
No. Countdown.
4, 3, 4, 3, 2,
Ascending or
1.
descend? Yes.
Sir,
So,
descending.
Sir descending.
Mean,
Let me speak. So the countdown started. With every countdown, narrator was feeling different things with every second. So I asked you to share any two things. See, once she felt that she should not have been sitting in the ride. Second, she felt that her sweaty hands. Remember? She
Yes, sir.
clenched her sweaty hands.
Yes.
What happened, Saf? Why are you so giving sweet smile? Nothing? You will not talk to me? Okay.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
fine, Rakib. Or I told you to talk, not to shout. You're shouting at me, shouting at me. Okay, jokes apart. Time is up. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Take care.
Goodbye, sir. Bye. Bye.
bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Have a nice day.
Hello, Ragib. 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 Ragib.
Yes. Yes.
તારા
બોલો
એક ફોનમાં તને મેસેજ આવ્યો છે જોતો
કેમ બે
આવ્યો છે
જોઈ
જોતો
મેસેજ તો આખા ફોન માં આવેલા છે કયા નંબર પર હું ખબર
90996339 વાળો હશે
2 મિનિટ શું 9099 2
હા
મિનિટ સબર આવજે 9099 નો એકેય મેસેજ નથી આવેલો
હાલ વાંધો નહીં. તારી ગ્રુપમાં આઈડી શું છે?
હા
તારી ગ્રુપ આઈડી શું છે
બરાબર ઈ મને નથી ખબર આઈડી વાઈડી મને ન ખબર
તારો નંબર દે તો મને
ગ્રુપમાં મારું નામ અઝરા છે
હા તો મેં મોકલ્યું જો અઝરા એમ કરીને
કેમ શું ઈ તો
અઝરા હશે
મારી બેન વાત સાંભળી ને જે ગ્રુપ છે ને મારી બેન ના મોબાઈલમાં છે એટલે એમાં અઝરા લખ્યું
તો આ તારો ઓલું કેમાં છે તારો ઓલો આ ગ્રુપ
ઓલું
કેમાં છે
હું
આ ગ્રુપ જે તું કરો છો એ કેમાં છે હા
હા આ તો ને હું રોજ મારી બેન પાસેથી ને લિંક સેન્ડ કરાવી લઉં આ મોબાઈલમાં આમાં ભણું બાકી ગ્રુપ
તો
તો
તારો
એના જ
નંબર
મોબાઈલમાં
બોલતો
છે
તારો નંબર બોલતો
મને નથી ખબર ઈ બધા ને આવા નંબર હોય ને મને ને બહુ કન્ફ્યુઝન થાય પછી